Look, here's an interesting saw like this. Here it is. I do not know the type of string saw or how it is now. Warner will try first. Well, let's gain experience. Let's not start the Warner until the end, in short. And she clamps it down. It seems to me that it is not necessary to bend too much like this. It seems to me that it is necessary at this angle. Not. It is necessary to reject, because it clamps. I'm making the incision. Come on now, give the mushroom to the base, or have you not trained yet? Well, wait now. Me. Look, if you get closer here, you'll fall through. I know. So, Opa. Come on. Yes, everything takes off from me, so don't give it to me. Yes, trained. Trained, okay. But when you've trained, will you say okay? What? So. Haven't you trained yet? He sees she's pinching. Yes, I understand that. The main thing for me to understand is that he has trained. Or, I've been practicing already. Now let's not take me off. I'll be there now. Come on. That's neat. Everything is being recorded there. John will be here soon. John Kluter's typing. Luther. Fierce, come on. John Fierce is training. Beautiful. No, it's going fine at the beginning. Yes. Here he comes, he's going well. Come on. Oh, everything didn't go, everything. Oh, how? Here she is training, in the process. The pointability is interesting, new. Only the angle, look, we do this. We don't bend it like that, it's just interesting to me. Come on. Saw the friendship of a new generation. 21st century. Buy this saw from John KLYUKER for a lot of money. And put pressure on yourself, as it were. That's how it should be written on the money. Big money. That's what fraternal friendship does. Ha. But there is. I think this one is a little bad. It's not like you're pulling ahead. Yeah, you're kind of pushing a little bit so that she saws. Ah, got it. They're coming, the lads are coming. Here. On whom will it fall? So, the main thing is not to look at the operator. This world also needs an operator. And we will find new bloggers. Great. So, sing the competition itself. On the count of 3, let's go means 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Apparently, when at this angle, he doesn't want to merge, right? Kind of squeezes, huh? Yes. That is, here is such a blunt angle as to do, right? In, and something went. You have some new technology. You're probably weakening this arm, aren't you? You've adjusted. I understand you, Artem. You're a guy, it turns out. He's a sly one. He adjusted friends. Bravo. He got used to it. Here comes the guys. It doesn't work out fast. Well, I'll go friends, viewers, inhabitants of YouTube. It's always difficult for the first one. It turns out we are already learning. Well, we look at what movements he has, as if they work poorly, and we are already learning naturally. Am I right? And so it is. Yes, it turns out that our teacher is already like a pioneer. I see there's almost not much left. A little bit left. Not a fig. You will bring this nickel to your son. You will say, "Here I am, Nikita. I sawed it all off myself with a miracle saw string. John slipped me this thing. It doesn't work. We were gaining experience of hiking. Great. Tell Nikita it's a present and let him burn something like that here. Burn it out. Dad, such 4 letters. Dad is here, and Mom is on the other side, and Nikita is here. So this will be a beautiful, memorable thing. It will be such a beautiful fake. Yes, it's like it's already the finish line, right? Yeah, like the finish, and that's something. And how did it go together, right? The two of us sawed with food. We sawed well, quickly, and inconveniently. By the way, yes, for some reason, after all, somehow in 2 hands, somehow down. It's a little tight, isn't it? Oh my. Well, I've already figured out a little bit what's what. I'm going to be sawing myself now, but I'm going to fall asleep. I'm already going to have this angle so that she drinks almost. By the way, you reminded me of a monitor lizard. Show me again. Vo. This will be the style of a monitor lizard. Yes. Artem, he came up with a style of sawing, the style of a monitor lizard. How so? Artyom, think about it then, damn it. Come on. More. It will break. Yes, they're in the roof. I do not see that it has become too little for us. What do you see there? There's sawing inside. Sawing? What do you see? Not well, so it seems like a little dam. Well, such a Troy is low in calcium. Yes. They gave it to me. No, there's something like it's already on the edge of a pancake. Okay, get ahead of me. I'm tired already. I gave up. Well, let me help. You hold it. Come on. Artem, let's finish it with you in 2 hands. Yes, wait, just don't rush. Quietly. Yes, it would have warmed up for a long time. Take everything away, Sasha. And now he will give you Artem, so 640, 640 times 2, 3.
Раз, два, три.
John's gone, John's gone. Come on, come on. It's not going, is it? It turns out that's what it is. It turns out it's hard. All of this is the end. No, there's still hope. There's still hope, guys. That's it, that's it. There is no hope. Damn, but how to do something? She doesn't want to nag. She doesn't want to nag, it turns out. Beat her up, beat her up. And damn, it's hard to work with the left. It turns out, yes, just like that. How is this technology? This is a trainer for boxers, listen. You take it to the forest. You saw this stick like this with a thread, and like, damn, you'll have a normal left punch. And the right one is also not bad. You'll pass through the liver like that, and it's generally wonderful. Here it went, here she went, mother. Come on, the power of the Siberian land is in you. Oh, I am. No, we don't have the same competition. Well, of course, yes. Meaning together. Yes. Now John is writing everything himself. Something else together. This arm is getting tired, damn it. I don't believe you, John. I don't believe it. Why are you kidding me? Why are you kidding me? That's how it went. Let's go, guys, let's go. Here she is already, Silishka Bogadirskaya has already finished. Finish. There's a little bit left. In general, damn, Dehu. Dehu, guys. John can, I believe in him. It's somehow the thing gets stuck straight. He doesn't want to. And I understood everything with sawdust. It is clogged with sawdust. That's it. We have discovered a secret. Everything will go now. Look, it's gone. It's gone. Tapes. Oh. Here it is. Groped, well done. You. 3. You have 13. This is already doing it. What is Alexander? Are you ready? Yes, I won't nag. How will I not? Yes, great, on. Well, basically it is. How to say we had a fan. There is, but unfortunately, yes, where is it going? It didn't work out for him. Well, by the way, in the end it somehow went crazy. Yes, as I understood, you know, such as not long, but short frequent movements, and how it would go.